Yes, your PPT is visible, but you are not visible.
सर मे बी सर मैं वैक्यूम में सर नॉट वर्किंग सर सर बहुत पहले से काम नहीं कर रहा है सर।
-5 आपके उसके डिडक्ट होंगे और -10 आपके जो है एक दिन लेट करने के डिडक्ट होंगे।
सॉरी
जैसा
सर
नहीं, सॉरी और कुछ नहीं बोलो, है ना, वो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। स्टार्ट करो।
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Vikas, and here I am going to present my presentation on Android application development. And these are the versions of Android, and the latest version is Android Pie. And introduction of Android. Android is a Linux-based operating system designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphone, tablet, computer, smart TV, smartwatches, etc., etc. Android is an open source development platform where we can develop mobile development apps. First application developed in Java. Here is a Android architecture. In the Android architecture is a Linux kernel, which is the central module of the OS. It's responsible for tasks like memory management, process management, disk management. We can say that kernel is the first layer of software that interact with hardware. Above the kernel layer, we have hardware abstraction layer. Hardware abstraction layer, which is the bridge between the application framework and the driver, which is present in the kernel layer. And application framework, we can talk about the hardware abstraction layer. On the hardware abstraction layer, pass into the kernel. About that, we the core libraries, the third layer, which is the written in the C++ language. For example, SQLite, OpenGL, WebKit, libc. And the another layer, then the application framework provide the high level API for Android applications. And finally we can talk about the application layer, the top layer. And we have the apps we use. These are the apps we build as the Android developer, and we mainly write the application in Java and Kotlin. And this all about the Android architecture, how it's work. And these are the framework. This is the apps that the Healthify Me app. The purpose of the app is the Healthify, the fitness Android application that aim providing completely guide to the fit and healthy. It's compulsory cover detail of various aspect of health for different age group. This document provide all the required specification of the Android application. The application contains following in built-in feature such as set up an alarm for a various activity like exercise, morning walk, and various various health related things. And this app have a BMI calculator and issue related to the mental and physical health. They can track by the all the data that's stored in the app. Uh, the the function of these apps are the user shall sign up in the app with the detail when the application is downloaded for the first time, remain logged in thereafter. And the user shall choose the age criteria which belong, can use the monitor the service. On the basis of the selection service, the result will be shown accordingly. If the user is registered, his information detail be stored in database forever. He can log in into the next time. Android lifecycle in the Android building features. This app work on, they track the physical activity by day. A user has to register herself by signing, and after filling all the details, app is keep tracking the person and monitoring all the activities. Here I go for the conclusion, sir. Android smartphone are the hype in the 21st century. The scope of Android application is increasing day by day. Their development has become the initial part of today programming curriculum. The project Healthify Me is an Android app that incorporate everything from UI designing to database. Its utility and efficiency is very high. More such as Android app can be developed using the similar concept and tool. The society has dearth of idea. These ideas can be more effectively implemented by the developing user-friendly Android application. Through this project, got to learn the including database connectivity using SQLite. Being new to app development, we can come to a lot about. So I did my Android development course, sir. That's it, sir. Thank you.
From where you have completed your internship?
Sir, Udemy. Sir, I didn't. I did a course, sir. Course from Udemy, Android development course.
Okay. So each and everything you have written in theoretical manner and just read all these things.
Yes, sir. Something, sir. I written and something I
So
actually learned, sir.
why you have not attended yesterday's presentation?
Sir, I'm there for till 11 to 12:30, but some medical emergencies are. I have to. Some my sibling is run into accident. That's why I have to go, sir, in a medical emergency. I there, sir, from 11 to 12:30. You are taking the seniors presentation that time.
Okay. So thank you. With this, we complete Vikas Yadav's presentation, internship presentation. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.